In difficult days, I still keep you in my heart. You are the one who gives me hope. I offer all my love and give my heart completely to you. No matter how long it takes, I will still remember you. We have gone through so much together. Even when life is difficult, you are always in my thoughts. Every day I think of you and long for you deeply. My dear heart, you are the one I've been waiting for. Even if I must cross mountains and hills, I will come to be with you. No matter how hard it is, I will never leave you. I will stand beside you always. You are the one I've been waiting for, the one I miss. I still think about you. Even when you are far away, my love for you never fades. I will take care